Hello subscribers, how are you doing today? Okay, today I will show you how you can get a free domain name with a free WordPress hosting. Okay, first thing we're gonna go to this website here, freename.com. Okay, you will find this box here. Enter the domain name you want to, like this, okay, sure. Free, for example, dots. Okay, it's not available. Okay, let's try something else. Sorry for that. Okay, go up. Okay, so as you see, it's available and it's free. You can check out here. Okay, period, select 12 months free. Say 1 year. Continue. Make sure to select this. Complete order. Okay, as you see, this is my order number. I will go to services here, my domain. Here we are. Okay, so this is the step, the first step. Second step, I'm gonna go to this website and finish it free. You'll find the link at the description. Okay, agree, criteria, sign up. Sign up. Use my email address. Okay, I will go to my email address. Check spam folder. I will triple send email, verification exchange. Okay, here we are. I will verify the email address. I'm gonna click on create account, custom domain. This is our domain. Copy that and paste it here. Okay, you'll find this error message here. That's the time you gotta go here, manage domain. Okay, management tools, name servers, use custom name service. Okay, you will copy this first one here, ns1.api.com. gonna paste it here, and the same for the second one. Get name service. Okay. Okay, change, save it successfully. Okay, this is gonna take some time. Thing, create account. Yeah, you're just gonna wait about 30 minutes, then you can try again. Okay, I'll be back to you soon. Okay, as you see, I have a success message here, so my account has been created. You can just try after 5 minutes and it will work. Okay, we're gonna click on this view in client area. Okay guys, after we're gonna click on control panel here, search for software apps installer, WordPress, install now. Okay, tips and tricks. We're gonna copy that. Okay, because we're gonna need it. Copy. Okay, I'll select this 10 and install. Okay. So as you see, WordPress is installing on our website. Okay, that was fast. Okay, WordPress has been successfully installed at our new website. Sometimes it takes time for the website to work. Let's try it now. Okay, it's working. It's working. I'm gonna click the administrative URL, the dashboard of WordPress. Okay. Okay, so it's working. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Okay, see you again.